bulldozer is one of the most iconic heavy vehicles in the world of construction, forestry, and mining. Known for its tremendous power and capability to operate on various types of terrain. A bulldozer is equipped with a large metal blade at the front, used to push, level, and move soil, rocks, debris, and other heavy materials. Physically, a bulldozer has a massive, sturdy body and usually moves on tracks similar to a tank. This tracked system allows the bulldozer to traverse muddy, rocky, or uneven ground without easily getting stuck. It also helps distribute the machine's weight more evenly, making it suitable for working on soft or unstable ground. The large front blade, controlled by a hydraulic system, can be raised, lowered, or tilted depending on the task. This blade is the bulldozer's primary tool, essential for clearing land, leveling surfaces, or even demolishing structures. Bulldozers are commonly used in the early stages of construction projects, such as clearing land from trees, rocks, or old buildings before development begins. In road construction, bulldozers help open pathways and level the ground to create a solid foundation before other layers like gravel or asphalt are added. In mining operations, bulldozers assist in removing topsoil or pushing leftover debris. In forestry, they are often used to open trails or clear sections of forests for further development. In summary, a bulldozer is more than just a heavy machine. It is the backbone of large-scale field work. Its reliability in harsh conditions and its ability to move massive amounts of material make it one of the most vital machines in construction and other heavy industries.